Are you ready to start your journey toward building muscle, but you're unsure where to begin? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to talk about the best beginner exercises for muscle building that will lay the foundation for a strong and fit body. Starting with the basics is crucial. You don't need complicated, heavy lifting routines to build muscle. As a beginner, focusing on the right exercises can help you develop strength, improve your form, and avoid injury. Let's start with the most fundamental exercise in any muscle building routine, the push-up. Push-ups are a great bodyweight exercise that targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. If you're new to push-ups, you can start with knee push-ups or incline push-ups. The key is consistency and proper form. Keep your body straight, engage your core, and lower yourself slowly. You'll be amazed at the results as you build strength. Next up, dumbbell curls. This exercise is perfect for targeting your biceps. Grab a pair of dumbbells, stand tall, and with your palms facing forward, curl the weights toward your shoulders. Focus on squeezing your biceps at the top and lowering the weights slowly. This will help activate muscle growth, especially for those just starting out. Now, let's move to the squat, a fantastic exercise that engages multiple muscle groups, including your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. To perform a squat, stand with your feet shoulder width apart, chest up, and lower your body as if you were sitting back into a chair. Be sure to keep your knees behind your toes and your weight on your heels. Squats are a must for building lower body strength and promoting overall muscle growth. Another great exercise for beginners is the resistance band row. This exercise is excellent for your back muscles, especially your lats and traps. Secure the band around a sturdy object, grab the handles, and pull the band towards you while squeezing your shoulder blades together. Focus on controlled movements and breathing. This will help develop a strong back, which is essential for overall muscle balance. Next, let's talk about lunges. Lunges help build lower body strength and stability. Take a step forward with one leg, lower your body until both knees are at 90 degrees, and then push back to your starting position. Alternate legs with each repetition. Lunges target your quads, hamstrings, and glutes and are incredibly effective for muscle building, especially for beginners. Now, we can't forget about the plank, a simple yet powerful exercise for building core strength. Start by lying face down, then lift your body into a straight line from head to heels, balancing on your toes and forearms. Hold this position for as long as you can while keeping your core tight. Planks not only build core strength but also improve your posture and stability. As you progress, remember, rest and recovery are just as important as the exercises themselves. Allow your muscles time to rebuild and grow stronger. Also, nutrition plays a huge role in muscle building. Make sure you are fueling your body with the right nutrients to support your workouts. Building muscle as a beginner is all about consistency, patience, and form. Don't rush. Focus on mastering these foundational exercises, and in time, you'll notice significant progress. Remember, every rep, every set, brings you closer to your goal. So, there you have it, the best beginner exercises to kickstart your muscle building journey. Start with these, stay consistent, and enjoy the process. You've got this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness tips. See you in the next one.